Okay, guys, white cold body here. It's getting pretty. Sun's coming up. It's about like 6 o'clock almost, and I got my nephew, Miguel. He's coming and he's spending the weekend with us, and I got a prank for him. Got a good one, and I'm gonna dress up. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna dress up. There we go. Again with this guy. However, there's a twist. So instead of having the claw, I got a chainsaw. Gonna come down when he's sleeping and just let him have it. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and let's get it. Let's go. I hope he likes this. I love you, dude, but you're gonna get pranked this time for good. Let's see how I look real quick. I can't see it myself. I think I look okay. I'll just double check and let's get it. Let's go. Love you guys. Rise and shine.
Stop.
Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Let's go. Hey guys, what's going on? White Combine here, and today is another scare prank video. You guys might actually have, before this video starts, it's a scare prank with my nephew Miguel. It's a chainsaw prank, and I'm here with my friend Piers. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bubba.
And this time, instead of my nephew, I'm doing my niece Julie. You might remember her from another video. I just cannot remember the top of my head, but real quick, I want guys to apologize to you for that prank with Miguel. It wasn't the good quality, wasn't that good. It's just because I did it by myself, so it was just too hard to hold this chainsaw and scare him at the same time. And I didn't turn the lights on until a little bit later. But now I'm prepared because I got a light on my phone. I can turn the lights on because I got him. Oh, and what's your YouTube channel? Just shout you out.
I don't even know.
You don't even know?
No, I don't have any videos.
Well, Piers Heimbach. That is his. If you were, give him some love. That's his.
This is Bubba.
That's Bubba.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get it. Let's go, and stay tuned. Dang, he needs to fix it.
Ready to rob a house?
Hey, so to put that. You ready, dude?
Yeah.
Let's get it.
When do I start this motherfucker?
When you get in the door, how about?
Is she gonna do it?
Ah, it's gonna be pretty quick though. So you have to. So give me actually a minute, because I want to see if we can get this light on now. So, okay, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna get show you in just 1 second. So. She's not even fucking right. Julie. Oh my gosh.
We didn't even wake her up.
No, go away. Fuck off.
At first it. Oh, dude.
Nice try.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Did you wake up? Have good sleep?
Can't sleep now.
Oh,
Who's this kid?
one of my friends.
Bubba.
Bubba. Just the Chainsaw Massacre.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. She kind of was scared in the beginning, but then when she just opened her eyes, I guess she was like, "No, fuck him." But okay, guys, subscribe to his channel. What, Bubba? I guess
I don't even know.
you don't even know.
Something like that.
Sounds like- okay, guys. Love you guys all to death, and I see you next time when we do another skit. Let's go.